In this video, we'll talk about the current market state of Quant, and after quite a few bullish days, yesterday and today, we'll talk about if we can actually see some more of this bullish momentum continuing. So first of all, good morning. Hope you're all having a great start of this weekend and this Saturday. So that's basically what we'll do. And welcome to the channel, by the way. That's basically what we'll do. We'll take a look at Quant, which has been quite strong. And also some interesting things have been happening in the market structure of Quant. So we'll talk about all of that, and we'll talk about some of the fundamentals. I mean, fundamentally, Quant is a very strong crypto. What we saw some time ago, I believe, I'm not sure if it was actually a trusted source, but I saw somewhere that 99% of their supply, of their total supply and their max supply is in circulation. I'm not sure where that came from, but I find it hard to believe, to be honest. I'm not sure if that came from Quant itself. If any of you know, let me know. I should have saved it somewhere, but I didn't. But apart from that, Quant is a very strong project, and the circulating supply, even if it isn't 99%, 83% is already a lot. And it would also be kind of bad if a lot was into circulation already, because you need some in storage to actually attract new enterprises for Quant. Enough rambling about the fundamentals. Overall, the fundamentals in the market are still bad. Economic fundamentals around the market are pretty good. And the fundamentals for Quant, I would say, are pretty good as well. Now, analyzing Quant, I found pretty hard, to be honest, because there are a lot of things you have to see, all right? Because right now, we are really struggling with this level right here at 124, 125, 124 and 125, obviously, but it's easier to say it like that. We're struggling with that, but you can also see that we already broke above that 100 EMA, for example. We broke above 117. So right now, I think we actually, and you can already see that after finding support at $100, which is a major support level, we started to make higher lows and we started to break above our EMA. So I think the market structure for Quant is really happening, and or changing, excuse me. And I think we can actually extend this bull run, or this bullish momentum, all the way up to 144, 148 and 150 again in the upcoming weeks. Now that's not very much of a price prediction. I mean, it is kind of, but on the short term, that's usually what I do. What I think is going to happen is I think we're going to be challenged by 125, and there are basically two things that can happen. At 25, we can either break above that, after which we would find resistance at 130, take a break retest off of the entire level between 124 and 117. That's all valid, but then we would actually consolidate here, and then at some point of time in the future we would break above 134 and start trending up to towards 144. Now this is by far the most bullish case scenario. All right, as you can see, it's very bullish, and you're assuming that we're going to get a lot of bullish momentum for Quant, because what you are assuming kind of is that in 2 days or 3 days you can actually get up by like 20% with Quant, which is quite a lot to ask for. So even though I think this is fully possible, I think it's a little bit more likely, and getting back to, I think we're going to be challenged by 124, 125. I think it's a little bit more likely that we might spike all the way up there, but that we will not break above 124, 125, and that we will kind of start dropping back down towards 112, maybe even 110, find support there, and then I do think we would break above 124, 125 a little bit later. But then we just have to retrace first and then get back up to it. I think something like this is a little bit more likely, but Quant is a very strong crypto, and it has surprised me a lot in the past as well. So just remember, 125 is the most supported level. That's the level to break. If we break above that easily in the next few days, this is what's going to happen, I think at least. So that's my take on Quant this morning. If you do have any questions, or if you want to say something about the video, do so down in the comments. But for now, I want to wish you all a great weekend in advance. Take care, and yeah, bye.